There is nothing disquiet about the quietness around here on the streets of Kolkata. There is nothing eerie about this silence which is so palpable. The roads are empty. The shops are completely shut. It's complete lockdown day once again here in the state of West Bengal. It's July 29, Wednesday, as being pre-decided by the state government of Mamata Banerjee. The second season of complete lockdown in the state of West Bengal is currently on, has been decided by the state government and pre-announced. July 29, that is Wednesday, which is today, is the third day in the month of July when the state is seeing complete lockdown across the state. However, the state government has also decided this complete lockdown, albeit in a staggered manner, would also continue for the whole of August. The state had initially decided to target the weekends, that is Saturday and Sunday, to ensure 48 hours of complete lockdown, a stretch of period when people would be forced to stay indoors, and thus the state could also afford to go for the idea which is break the chain concept. But then, because of sudden religious festival occasions, 2 days have been taken off the calendar, and now in the month of August, total 7 days, the state would see complete lockdown. These dates are August 5, August 8, August 16th, August 17th, August 23rd, 24th and August 31st. Now in these days, in these 7 days, the state would be observing complete lockdown, which means shops would remain shut, which would also mean that there would not be any private or public transportation system. The state has also ensured that now on these given lockdown days, flight operations and of course train services would also remain suspended, which means flyers will not have to face the kind of inconvenience they had faced in the past 2 to 3 occasions, given the fact that dates were not pre-announced. Now that these days have already been announced, the state government would be writing to the Civil Aviation Ministry, would also be writing to the Railway Ministry to ensure no flights are being sent to Kolkata or Bagdogra or any other part of Bengal on the lockdown days, and also no trains arrive either at Howrah or Shialda in nearby Kolkata, or for that matter, no trains arrive in the state of West Bengal on the lockdown days. आपका नाम क्या है?
शिबू दास।
क्या लेके निकले आप? क्यों निकले? आज लॉकडाउन है ना?
हाँ, लॉकडाउन है। मानुष को सचेतन कर रहा है कि आप लॉकडाउन में घर में रहिए एवं सुरक्षित रहिए।
अच्छा।
और हमरा बोर्ड बांग्ला में लिखा हुआ है, জীবনটাকে বাঁচলে ভালো, লকডাউন মেনে চলো। আর সাবান দিয়ে ধুলে হাত, করোনা ভাইরাস হবে কুপোকাত।
ওকে।
মাস্ক পরুন, দূরত্বে থাকুন।
আচ্ছা।
মাস্ক পরুন, ধীরে চলুন। তারপরে পিছে में লেখা हुआ है, আতঙ্ক ছড়াবেন না, ভিড়ের মধ্যে যাবেন না, হাঁচি কাশি থেকে দূরে থাকুন, জীবনটাকে ভালোবাসুন। এই বার্তা নিয়ে আমি কলকাতা শহরে आज
कैसा रिस्पांस मिल रहा है? लोग समझ रहे हैं आपका जो ये पोएट्री है? लोग समझ रहे हैं? उनको समझ में आ रहा है आप जो कहना चाहते हैं?
हाँ, सब समझता है एवं सब आदमी पाड़ा में, मोहल्ला में, रास्ता में सब बुरो आंगुल जो थाम है ऐसा करके बोल रहे हैं जो आपका बहुत वार्ता बहुत अच्छा है, शुभेच्छा जानाता है, आप ठीक से रहिए। तो ऐसा ही चलता है, हम नियम से चलता है, दूर दूर रहता है।
घर कहाँ पे आपका?
हमारा घर लेक गार्डन्स में है।
There is a massive spot in the state of West Bengal. Cases are now hovering above 2,000 per day. The state government claims they have ramped up the sample testing, the reason why more positive infections are getting detected. However, the state discharge rate is close to 67%. The state claims it's a good sign to be hopeful and people are responding to the treatment. The state government has also decided on a toll-free helpline number which is 1800 313-444-222. The state has announced the general lockdown, however, would continue till August 31st, which means at containment zones, at containment zones, the lockdown would be effective and will continue till August 31st. In Kolkata, this is Samal Shah for Times Now.